Good morning, Chris Lehner here from Johnson Motors in beautiful New Richmond, Wisconsin. And today we have this beautiful black 2020 GMC Sierra 3500 HD with the Duramax diesel in the AT4 package. This truck has 31,800 miles on it. Super clean, right out of California. 4 brand new tires that we just installed on this truck. This thing is loaded, to say the least. We got a full tonneau cover. Does have the 5th wheel provisioning and gooseneck provisioning already installed in the bed. Notice a 2.5-inch receiver. This thing's set up to tow. It's got all the trailer brake provisioning. Notice the cameras that we have installed here. This thing is beautiful. It's got the carpeted wheel liners. Taking a shot of the interior back here. See the all-weather 4-season mats installed. Does have heated seats in the rear, along with a USB-A, USB-C charging port, and a cigarette lighter adapter. There is storage installed behind the seats on this one. Fold-down armrest with some cup holders. The seats do fold up, providing some storage down here. I also noticed that it does have the TPMS sensors to install on your trailer. There should be 4 of those sitting there. Some locking lug nuts. Just a beautiful truck. Running boards are installed. Does have the towing mirrors. AT4 branded liners up front. 10-way power seat for the passenger. Does have the big sunroof. Duramax emblem. There's the selling price and the stock number. This thing is just absolutely perfect. Jump inside and take a look. This thing is loaded up. Notice some decent tint on the vehicle. Got your memory seats, power everything. The mirrors do power fold, as well as power extend. When you're pulling that big trailer, you can get those mirrors out there where you need them to be. Does have the Bose audio system. There's the current mileage sitting on this truck. Your trailer tow options for your auto 4-wheel drive as well. Full light control. It's got the big screen radio and navigation system. This truck does have the exhaust brake, lane change assist, parking sensors, power tailgate, traction control, your 110 outlet, and a hill descent control, along with both heated and cooled seats, trailer brake, wireless phone charger. Go through the options on here. Wanted to bring up the camera. This has the HD surround camera system on it. All kinds of different modes available here. This thing is loaded up. We just got this thing in. If you'd like to schedule a test drive, you can contact Chris at 651-260-3478, or you can reach me at the store at 715-246-2261. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.